Good morning, Amy.
Good morning, Miss.
Please.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
Thank you for coming in today, Amy. Can you share a specific example of how use your communication skill to successfully manage an event or educate a community?
Okay, thank you for having me, Miss. In my previous role, our team noticed a significant drop in community participation of our quarterly health screening program because of a general lack of awareness about preventive health care. My specific responsibility was to design our community education strategy and organize an interactive health seminar to rebuild trust and increase attendance. To achieve this, I coordinate with local community leaders and to understand their main concerns. I then simplified our complex medical materials into engaging, easy to understand visual presentations and trained a small team to deliver the message clearly. As a result, the seminar drew over 150 participants and registration for our health screening programs increased by 35% compared to the previous quarter. This experience taught me how telecommunication can directly drive community engagement.
In practice, now how can you tell me about the times when you had to adapt quickly to a major change or tell while working with a team?
Okay, absolutely. During a major health awareness campaign last year, our family venue became unavailable just 2 days before the launch date due to an unexpected scheduling conflict. As a key coordinator, my goal was to secure an alternative location immediately and modify our event format without compromising the campaign's objectives or losing our registered participants. I quickly called an emergency meeting with my team to delegate tasks. I analyzed local venue options, proposed shifting part of our interactive session online, and reached out to a partner clinic to host our physical booth. I also personally supervised the distribution of update notice to all participants. Because we act fast, we successfully transitioned to a hybrid event model. We maintained 90% of our original registrations and received positive feedback for our flexibility. It taught me that keeping a calm, structured approach during a crisis is essential for successful teamwork.
I also see in your cover letter that you are eager to improve your skills, specifically in English and Mandarin. How do you plan to use this language skill to help our company expand its market?
Of course, in my previous health campaign, we unexpectedly had to interact with several foreign medical equipment suppliers who only spoke English and basic Mandarin. My goal was to ensure clear communication so our team could understand the product specification without any misunderstanding. I immediately started practicing professional medical terms in both languages daily. Use translation tools to double-check details and lead the introductory meetings myself. As a result, we successfully secured a partnership with 2 suppliers. This experience motivated me to take formal language course to support PT Smart Global Medical's international business growth.
Excellent. This position also requires frequent travel to manage clients. The relationship across different regions. Are you comfortable with this and how do you manage your competitivity while traveling?
Okay, Miss. During my past event management projects, I often had to manage multiple community programs in 3 different cities simultaneously. My responsibility was to maintain high performance and ensure all events ran smoothly despite the constant traveling. I create a strict digital schedule, prepare all sales and presentation materials before the trip. I use mobile tools to stay connected with my team at all times. Consequently, 100% of the regional programs were successfully offered on time. I'm fully ready to tackle and bring this organized approach to achieve your company's goals.
Perfect. That cover all my questions really. Do you have any questions for us about the technical sales manager role?
Thank you, Miss. I want to ask, what is the biggest challenge that the sales team is currently facing this quarter, and how can the person in this role best help to solve it?
That's a good question. Right now, our manager is entering the new regional clinic market. The person in this role will need to build strong initial relationship that we will be in touch with you next week regarding the results. Thank you for coming, Riley.
Thank you very much, Miss, for this opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you soon. And so, Miss, have a great day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.